flames of war eat at the heart of Manchester. In one of the fiercest raids of the German blitzkrieg on Britain, a storm of bombs wreaks havoc in this proud city. But they leave it a prouder city still. Manchester will remember the horrors of that attack as long as the heart of the North continues to beat. But she will remember its glories too. The selfless service and dauntless courage with which her people met their hour of trial. The Nazi bombers have used on Manchester the technique of destruction that they've already tried out in London, a combination of high explosive bombs with incendiaries. Nevertheless, the spirit of cooperation cannot be destroyed, and Manchester people cooperate in the Blitz as never before, fighting against the forces of destruction. Through 2 terrible nights, the Blitz went on without cease. Now it's over, and Manchester gets to work to clear up the mess.
Now we take it on to a World War II air raid shelter that was used during them 2 nights back in December 1940. Not many people have been down here, so it's a privilege to take you down here and you can see what it would have been like. On the floor there, one of the old toilets. The old light fittings. Yeah, it keeps going. Watch out for the broken bottle. Oh, it's not broken yet.
Light down there for me.
Yes.
Oh my god. Where's the tunnel, Carl?
Say again.
Where's the tunnel?
It's that way.
That way?
Yeah, right.
I wonder if we'll go to the one down. Oh, this stuff. I don't think it's again.
No, it's bricked up, this one. Hey. I wonder where that went. Check them out. Long stalactites. They're on timber there, pinned to the wall still. I wonder where that went though. That's probably one of the entrances. You've got the original beam there. Probably to the door or something.
Hey, stand on that way. Is it?
What's that noise?
Oh, my camera. What we're doing now, we're going to get to the cheese.
Wow, this is all camping. Look at that.
Can you eat
All camping.
the old Coke can? Have you seen one of them ones before?
Pick that up. That's well old.
It's not old.
It's not that
Oh, it's got the wrinkle.
but it's the old design.
Yeah, the old
Still
design. Sell by date on the bottom.
But, yeah, but is it the days when... Hold on, let me just take a picture of that. The days when they used to...
No.
No.
You're this, you're right, quick as you can.
The old cable there running down.
Yeah, it's not old, still valid. But yes, not the design though.
There's the other side.
Well, what's that?
Oh, that's your grid.
Oh, will you change filters for me?
Oh. Well,
Oh, I want to. Yeah.
There's quite a few exits, isn't there? Emergency exits. The old toilet behind you there, seen it?
wait, you've got clear over camera.
Shine that on the ladders.
Little legend scaring, exploding a cow.
Yeah, don't do that.
Back over this dirt mound.
Watch the bottom right corner of the screen. Can anyone see a frog jumping?
Watch the toilets. Quite a few toilets, seeing how small it is. Or what we've been in to now. Ah, there's the pipes under it. The drainage.
Oh, yeah.
The old coal peg.
Sometimes, yeah. I wondered what they were, because there's...
Yeah, not every single one of them, they are.
Rusty old nail. Yeah. Blocked off and filled in there, backfilled behind it.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the thing you down there?
A frog?
Yeah. Got a frog on the side of the wall. Is that it?
Yeah, afraid so.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seen the old colour? Yeah.
And thank you everyone for joining us today on another underground experience. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you very much.
Bye.